Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm bringing you along as I make some green beans and potatoes. I'm getting the inspiration from a channel that I've been watching. I think it's called Veg Village Food. I will link the video. It's where Grandma sits, and I think it's over in India, I'm not sure, but she cooks she cooks a ton of food and feeds the children over there. It's so heartwarming and touching. So I'm getting the inspiration from her. Went to the fruit stand to get some tomatoes until ours start coming in, and I saw these green beans. Look at that. So we got 2 pounds of green beans right here. So I'm just going to wash them real good, and I'll bring you back when I go to cut them up. Now I know I can just take the ends off of these and snap them, but I actually want to do them like she did. So I'm going to cut the ends off of them. Or just pick the ends off of them. These almost look like Shelly beans, like I used to like to buy, that already had the big navy bean in it. Now she cut hers up in, little bite-sized pieces. But, you can cut them up any size that you like. This is how I wanted to do it. I'm not following her recipe exactly, but I just got inspired by it. So I'm not going to cook these just right yet. So what I'm going to do is just put them in a bowl and fill it up with cold water and just let it sit until I get ready to cook them. But I'll bring you back when I have the potatoes peeled and everything, and I'll bring you back. Okay, while I got my big cooking pot heating up, I took 1 onion, 1 green jalapeno, and a couple of cloves of garlic, and I put it in my food processor and minced it really well. I really didn't have to do that, but I wanted to do that. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of oil in there, just so we can kind of cook that around just for a minute or two. So as soon as my pan gets heated up, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, I'm going to put this in, and I just want to saute this just for about a minute. Now I know I'm going to share her video, but she used like green chilies, I think turmeric powder or cumin powder, red pepper powder or something. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I know she used garlic, but I think she also used ginger too. But anyway, it's just like I say, so touching because she feeds all those children. And she cooks huge amounts. Okay, I'll bring you back in about a minute. And here are my green beans that are drained. There's still going to be some water in it. Let me get all the little beans out. And I have my potatoes already cut up, and they're sitting in cold water till I get ready to use them. And I'm going to add just enough water to cover them. And add my seasonings. And all of this is to taste. So I'm adding some kosher salt. Some black pepper. A few dashes of some cayenne pepper. Not to make it really spicy, just to give it a good taste. And a few dashes of what's this here sauce. Now, even though I did add real garlic and real onion, I'm going to add just a little bit more onion powder. Not much.
Did it not last
And a little bit more garlic powder. And I'm also going to add just a few sprinklings of crushed red pepper flakes. And now I'm going to bring this up to a boil and check on it every now and then. And then I'll turn the heat down just a little bit, cover it, and let it simmer. This will probably take about an hour, and you just cook it to your desired doneness. And when they get to about that point, then I'll go ahead and add my potatoes. But I will bring you back when it's that time. And also, I think some chicken broth would be good in this, but I don't have any. Alright, my green beans has been cooking for an hour. We just tried them. I needed to add some more salt. But they do have a little spice kick to it. So I think that jalapeno and with the red pepper flakes and the dash of the hot sauce is giving it a little bit of a kick. For me. Now my family loves spicy. So anyway, I'm adding my potatoes. I shouldn't have to add any more water to it, but I can check that level. But right now it looks good. Now I'm going to leave my lid off and let it come up to not a hard boil, but like a medium boil. And because I know while my potatoes are cooking, I might need to add some more water, but I want some of this water to cook out a little bit. So I'll just keep a check on it. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my green beans with potatoes are done. You see how most of the liquid in here is thickened up a little bit from the potatoes. And it ain't just swimming in liquid. Now if I didn't put, like all that other country ham would also be good cooked in this. So now I'm just going to turn the heat off, place a lid on it until the rest of my dinner gets done, and then we'll be back to try some. Alright, this is not all we're having for supper. We're having corn on the cob, fresh garden tomatoes, and grilled chicken. So, but I'm going to go ahead and try this for you. This is so good, and it has such a good flavor. Well, I did have to add some more salt, but and the potatoes kind of helped take out that a lot of kick that it was giving me. It still has a little bit of it. But, like I say, my family loves that. And this would be even better with some country ham cooked into it. So, anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.